Hi, in this video I will show you how to add background music in DaVinci Resolve 19. So in order to do that, what we can do is we can head over first right here into our actual edit page. Now you can see right here that we have in here a media pool. So what we can do is we can just head over and add in here a media. So first things first, head over to this part of DaVinci Resolve. Then from in here, import right here the background music that you would want to use. So you can click onto this edit option and then from in there click onto the insert option if it's available. If it's not, you can locate it right here since you also have access right there for your actual DaVinci Resolve or for your actual files. You can also just go over to the file and then drag that into your actual media storage. Just head over and then drag it and it should be able to be added. So here it is right here. Next thing we need to do is to just insert it into our edit page. So here's our edit, and then we just need to head over to our toolbox, and then make sure to add it right here. And put it right there, and then once it's under this, you can go over right here to this one. Click on the this media pool, and then add in here this rain ripple effect. And as you can see, we have now in here a background sound for our actual video. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.